And welcome on board. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. आज का session बहुत important. So here's Anisha ma'am coming up for you, boys and girls. One of the toppers of NMAT as well as SNAP as well as CET भी ना?
CMAT, SNAP, NMAT, CET, all four.
क्या बात है मैम का बर्थडे भी बाय द वे हम बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन के लिए आज आए हैं तो भाई बताइए अनीशा मैम 70 डे हैप्पी बर्थडे कर दो चैट के अंदर अनीशा मैम 70 डेज टू कैट एनमैट क्या परसेंटाइल एम कर सकते हैं कैन दे क्रैक कैट राइट नाउ जल्दी बताइए
So honestly, for people who are thinking that you cannot crack CAT, I'll just be honest with you. I cracked all these exams in 1.5 months. I was done and dusted with my job at Infosys, which is like hardcore tech job, engineers. I'm sure that a lot of people who might relate to it, that you know you're bored with engineering, so you want something new. 1.5 months I slogged my ass off studying. You study 6 hours of day, you give your mock tests, spend a lot of time analyzing mocks, give the right mocks which are at par with all the exams, be it CAT, NMAT, SNAP. There's no point giving mocks which are super tough. So give mocks which are relevant, analyze them, try to figure out your weak areas.
अनिशा एक बात बताओ यार क्रैक कैट तुमसे मतलब क्रैक हुआ था but you could not get one of the best times you left couple of new IIMs here and there you cracked symbiosis you didn't go to NMAT how was the journey at NMAT can NMAT be the dream school like Narsi Monji Bombay is it doing fantabulously well how was the director and everyone there
So I think everyone's doing really good there at NMIMS. There is one thing which bothers is your batch size, but that's actually to be made your strength. You know, you can go and try it out, meet seniors, figure out with them, talk to them more so that you know what's most recent. Like I'm there from the past 8 years.
तो बैच साइज बड़ा है तो दे हैव डिफरेंट सेक्शन भाई एनएमआईएमएस का बैच साइज बहुत बढ़ चुका है एडमिशन लेने के पहले 2 राय तो सबकी होती है तो लोग मुझे आके पूछते हैं बट आई टेल देम वन थिंग आज बार एनएमएट के 2 लोग हैं एनएमएट के टॉपर्स आई टेल देम वन थिंग बड़ा बैच इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी यू मीट न्यू पीपल हाँ उनको प्लेसमेंट लगवानी होती है पर 100% दे आर एबल टू डू इट राइट
See, placement is 100%, but you have to be like you know the best of the best to be in the top ones.
जो पहले 100-150 लोग होंगे they could be getting a placement equal to an SPJain or an Excel Rai or even IIM Lucknow in those of the world.
I would say top 80 to 100.
Top 80 to 100 people couldn't get placements up to IIM Lucknow. So Narsi Monji is a good option. जो लोग दे रहे हो भाई, all the best. Can't be really great. Thank you so much for time, Anisha. All the best. Great. Thank you so much. All the best, everyone. Signing off. So please prepare hard and work hard. And I'm going to be there with you till then. और तन्मय भाई, I am Bombay, SC Mechadi, Jamnal Bajaj, SPJain Bombay, Maika. I am Rohtak, Narsi Monji, CMAT topper, CET topper. Signing off. Please work hard to become on this side. ये देखो ये लड़का.
Best of luck, guys.
तू उस साइड में पहले वीडियो सुनता था ना?
हाँ.